A very warm welcome to all of you from the channel of Divine Abundance. We are live from FB, and from today 9th of July we are starting 30 minutes of live consultation from this channel. I welcome you all on this auspicious occasion of launch of my channel. Thank you all for joining in. Today 9th of July is the new moon, which is symbolic of new beginnings, and we are starting our new free live consultation from today. A very warm welcome to all the participants who are joining in. From today we will start the tarot readings. So today is Friday. We will be connecting for tarot readings, and I will be doing reading for your birth number. What is birth number? The day you are born, the date you are born is your birth number. See, in case you are born from 1 to 9, that number is your birth number. But if you are born on 10th onwards till 30th, you have to add the digits in your date of birth and arrive at a single digit number, that is your birth number. So we will be doing reading today for new moon. New moon is, as I told you, is the symbolic of a new beginning. So I will be doing today reading for numbers 1 to 9 and tell you what are you beginning new today. So, and also I will be sharing with you my reading on your personal questions. If you are going to share my session into another 5 groups, and I see your shared tag here. Shivani, welcome. Please share my session into 5 groups so we can benefit mutually as an energy exchange for this free reading. So my dear participants, please join in, share my session into 5 groups and type in your question. Thank you so much. Now can we share this? So first I will start with a new moon reading. So what are, and I'm using my Moonology deck as well as angel cards. So what is the date of birth of one is manifesting today? As I told you, this is not just for one, but you have to add your date of birth. If it adds to 1, then it is your date of birth. So my dear, hold your heart for today's new moon reading, and do tune in daily from Monday to Saturday at 7, because I will be here with Switchword Consultancy, with Law of Manifestation, and some very beautiful techniques wherein you can manifest what you desire. And let me tell you what is date number 1 is manifesting. You are manifesting releasing the past. So surely please type in your question to get the reading. And you are manifesting releasing that anger which are you holding on to. This new moon day, you are manifesting some beautiful release energy of past wounds, anger, and you're stepping out of that comfort zone. So that was for number 1. Shivani Chauhan, welcome to my session. And Shinazo, please share my session into 5 groups. Shivani, thanks for sharing. Okay, you want to know what kind of man you are manifesting. Okay. Very passionate. He will be having an awakened third eye, and he will be very quick and what you call passionate. Intensities will be high, and he will have this miraculous thing of smiling even in the periods of stress. That was for you, Shivani. Next, for my personal consultation, you can either DM me here, or I will be writing my clicking and writing my phone number, so you could connect to me for your personalized reading. Thank you, Kaka, for blessing me. Shinazo, welcome to my session. Please share my session into 5 groups. Shinazo. Amna, welcome to my session. And please share my session into 5 groups. Amna, you have shared. Thank you so much. Please type in your question. See, I connect with you all with your energies. No need of writing your date of birth, right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Amna, I am okay. Current feelings for you. Okay, right. So what are the current feelings for Amna? Akhtar. Now at the moment he is busy in his accumulating his business wealth, so he presently is not into hold any feelings for you. अभी कोई भी feelings वो आपके लिए नहीं रख रहे हैं, वो अपने career और wealth accumulation पे focus कर रहे हैं. That was for you, Amna. Thank you so much. So for the personalized session, I am writing my number. You can connect to me for personalized sessions. Thank you so much, Amna. That was for you. Contact कब करेंगे? months लगेंगे अभी, from 4 days to 4 months. Marriage, अभी मैरिज कार्ड्स पे नहीं है. एनर्जी इज नॉट ऑप्टिमम फॉर मैरिज. अभी बिल्कुल भी शांति नहीं है मन में, इसलिए खुशियाँ अट्रैक्ट नहीं हो पा रही हैं. दैट वॉज फॉर यू आमना. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर एनर्जी ब्लेसिंग्स. When I have answered your one question only, that is, what kind of a man will he be? For personalized reading, you can connect to me. Thank you. So, energy blessings is going to be in a leadership role in this coming months, and the months 4 months time has been there. So EV glow will glow like a bright star. That was for energy blessings. Now before I go to the next question, please share my session into the 5 groups and write your question. The new ones who have joined in, welcome to my session. You can just share my session into 5 groups and I will be answering your question. Next, I am moving to the date of birth 2 and those who have add to 2. Whose date of birth add to 2. What are you manifesting this new moon? What new starts are coming this new moon? You are manifesting self-belief, my friends. And you are releasing the negative spirit and failures from this new moon. So you are manifesting self-belief. One affirmation for you, my dear. Number 2, I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I love and accept myself. I love and accept myself. Daily do this exercise when you get up. See in the mirror, see yourself eye to eye in the mirror, and it will act like magic for your self-belief and self-confidence. Next, have you shared my session or shall I move to birth date number 3? Shinazo, please share my session so I could answer your question. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy today to have connected you with all from the platform of Divine Abundance live channel from FB. So we will be connecting with you all from this platform for 30 minutes of free consultation Monday to Saturday at 7 sharp. Thank you, Kavita. Please type in your question so I could answer it. Thanks for sharing. So my 3 date of birth 3, birth number 3 are manifesting this new moon a very good communication, and you will be able to connect to your inner self and you will be able to know that what you need to let go. किस चीज़ को रखना है और किस चीज़ को छोड़ना है, that wisdom you are gaining this new moon. So, happy manifesting, my dear number 3. So, and also you are manifesting a good deal of communication. Number 3 is also manifesting self-love and love. If they want love in their life, they are manifesting it too. Okay, Kavita, this one for you, dear. Thank you so much for sharing my session into the 5 groups. So we are manifesting a new job, Kavita, soon, and very good one. A job of your dreams. ठीक है, very soon my dear, you are going to manifest your new job very soon. It will be better than your last one, believe me. Thank you, that was for you, Kavita. Very good card came from Kavita. And next I am going to move in quickly to number 3. Oh, number 4. Number 4, what are we manifesting this new moon? Angels, please guide me. What is number 4? Manifesting. Yes. Number 4 is manifesting safety for their loved ones this new moon. And their energy is gaining momentum. Luck is on their side. So what a beautiful manifestation for number 4. Those who have shared my session, thank you so much. Please share my session. And this news that I am coming live daily at 7 p.m. and you all can connect to me for live reading. Thank you so much, Harjeet, for joining in. I love to see you here. You can ask me any question and do share my session into 5 groups. So quickly move to number 5. This moon, new moon, what is number 5 manifesting? Today is the new beginning for me as well as you all, and we all are a part of collective. So let me see what are we manifesting. Number 5. Myself is also number 5. Oh, prosperity lies ahead. Stepping out of comfort zone and a win-win outcome is forecasted. So we all are number 5 people. We all are manifesting lot of prosperity. We are limiting our limiting beliefs. Our comfort zone is passing by and we are venturing into new zone where we are flying high and winning. That was beautiful. You are number 5 as me, Harjeet. We both are number 5 people and we love changes. We love traveling. We both are number 5. Any personal question, you can share it to me. Hina Sonkar, welcome to my session. Definitely I am coming down to number 7. Hina, please share my session into 5 groups so that I can answer one of your personal questions here. And for personalized reading, my number is down below. You can connect to me by messaging me. Do follow Divine Abundance Instagram as well as FB. I am on YouTube as well. So let me quickly see what number 6 is manifesting today. Okay, see, 6 is the number of prosperity. Thank you, Gina. Welcome. It's time to release negativity for number 6. So number 6 is manifesting prosperity, and it is manifesting the release of the blockages and the negativity. So, and I could see that number 6, they were facing the stagnancy. So they are releasing the stagnancy in the situation. They are moving forward towards prosperity and growth. So number 7, welcome so much, Hina. Please share my session into 7 groups, not 5 for you because you are number 7. So Hina, I am doing number 7 reading. So what are number 7 reading? Number 7 is manifesting. Angels, please guide me. What is number 7 manifesting this new moon? Okay, very beautiful cards for number 7. The answers you are seeking. जो आंसर्स आप ढूंढ रहे थे नंबर 7 आपको मिलने जा रहे हैं. You are getting the answers of your questions and you are about to trigger some very powerful changes in your life. Communication is the key. So you are expecting a very positive circle of communication with people who will support you towards this powerful changes. So very nice reading for number 7 people. Answers are coming. Communication is the key and changes are around the corner. So this new moon reading is till the entire moon cycle from this new moon today to the full moon. So approximately 27 days this reading will be applicable, and in case you come across this reading at some another moon cycle, this is a timeless reading. You came across it because you are meant to see this reading. So my dear number 8, next new moon reading for you. Quickly, number 8 people, hold your heart. What are you manifesting this new moon cycle? Okay. So number 8 is can expect something impossible which they believe to be impossible coming into their life. They are at a very close end to what they want to achieve, what their goals were. So, and also third thing they are manifesting is they are working to overcome their fears. Very beautiful reading, my dear number 8. You are working towards overcoming your fears and you are manifesting goals, and something impossible is coming your way. So that was for number 8 people. Now that next one is for Gina Jose, number 7. You were patiently waiting. Please share my session into 5 groups, and for personalized reading you can connect to me. My phone number is in comment box, or you can just write to me at 520 divineabundance@gmail.com. We book the sessions and we'll communicate to you the time for the reading, paid readings. Okay, this one for number 9 people. One of them is with me, Gina Jose. So number 9 people, what are you manifesting this new moon cycle? Wow, right, great. Number 9 people are manifesting the safety for themselves and their loved ones. The communication where they are used to hold the communication with their loved ones, they are they are manifesting a very sweet communication with their loved ones, as well as they are also working towards their fear. They are overcoming their fears, and in case they were in their down phase, they will be reviving. Thank you so much. Please share my session into 5 groups, and I'm going to answer your personalized question. Juhi Patel, which sari should Rita wear? Orange or pink? Wow, what a great question. Nonetheless, I'll answer it in fun way. Juhi, this one is for fun. Pink one. Pink is a happy color. Pink is a what you call color of heart chakra. Pink one will be better for Juhi Patel. Tune in next Friday or book into my reading. Tomorrow I will be connecting with you all for switch words, and this is a way how you can communicate with your subconscious mind. As they say, कहते हैं कि हमारा 95% का ब्रेन अनटैप्ड रह जाता है, हम इसे यूज़ ही नहीं कर पाते. तो कल मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आप कैसे अपने 95% ब्रेन को यूज़ करके अपनी डिज़ायर्स को, अपनी विशेस को पूरी कर सकते हैं. गुड गोइंग टुडे. Thank you for participating, and I'll take you leave today. This is a half an hour consultation. Thank you so much for joining in. Happy manifestation. Love and light. Om Shanti.